Okay, here we are, ladies and gentlemen, Facebook partners and fans. Haha, just kidding. All right, well, here it is. We totally excavated the driveway. See below that 2x4, it's going to be 6 inches of that. The base, the rock and sand. And we're screeding it now, and then we're going to get the machine and compact it really hard. We're going to compact this really hard. The sand, see the sand? Yeah. So here it is. We're going to fill all this still. We got to fill in all this. All this. Almost halfway done screeding, then we got to compact it and then pour some more and then compact it again. We're going to use up that mountain over there. See that mountain of that blend? Yeah, 5.5 yards of blend here. Cubic yards. That's all going to go in. So here it is. Thank you. I'll keep y'all posted on the progress. Bye. And this is your most affirmative, Mawa.